Hello, welcome to Mr. Tech Guy. In this video, we'll be unboxing a Motorola Moto E6 from C-spire Wireless. Hello, welcome to Mr. Tech Guy. In this video, we'll be unboxing a Motorola Moto E6 from C-spire Wireless. So let's get started with the unboxing. What we have in the box is this. It's time to go. And here's my SIM card. We'll put that aside. This is just telling you how to get started. And if you get C-spire, you need this number right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but you have to have that number. And then here is the box. And it's a 16 gigabyte a 5.5 inch display. There's the phone right there. We'll set this aside. So, nothing in here. You get your Motorola books, your Motorola adapter. We do have the charging cord, micro USB, a 3000 milliamp battery, so we are going to go ahead and install the battery. Let's go ahead. So you have your front facing camera, earpiece, 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, 13 megapixel camera, a flash, your charging port, and microphone. This is a budget device. You do not have NFC, fingerprint scanner, Face ID. And I did get this phone for free. Here, right here, where my thumb is, you have your SIM card slot and your SD card slot. Your SIM card slot goes on the bottom. I had battery installed. So let's install SIM card. Okay. Now we want to put everything up. Put everything to the side. Now what we will do is I'm going to charge it and I'll be back. Okay, I have it on the charger, so now what we'll do is power it on for the first time. Okay. I'll be back when it comes on. Okay, it has came on. So now what we would do is set it up. Now it's checking for updates. And this may take a few minutes. And this is running Android 9 Pie. Don't copy. This is gonna be the full setup too. Okay, I'll be right back after I sign in. Now what we will do is agree to all this. You don't have to do this like how I'm doing it. So I'll be back after I do this. Okay, now I'm back. Now you don't have to do like how I'm doing this. I'm just doing this. Just the way I would do it. for now. Of course, I'm just doing everything now, so I don't have to come back later and do it. I'll be right back if I do this. And it wouldn't let me do my Yahoo, so I'm going to do that later. And it does come with stock Android, as you can see. And as you can see here, it's hard to tell, but it has C-spire. I'm gonna mute this. Okay. And then you can see that it has C-spire at the bottom. As you can see. And then that will mainly wrap it up for this video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Share, follow, everything. That wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.